hot new trend all over the internet. Today we are going to make 3 different flavors of these mini pancake cereal. Original, cocoa, and matcha. We will be testing which of these flavors taste the best. The recipe is super simple and only takes 10 minutes to make. First, crack an egg into a clean bowl and whisk it. Then pour half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and whisk them together. Then add 30 grams of sugar or honey. Here I used honey. Then sift 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder into the mix. Mix the batter until it is smooth. Then divide the batter to 3 even parts. Sift 5 grams of cocoa powder in one part and 5 grams of matcha powder in the other part. If the cocoa batter or the matcha powder is too thick, you can always add some milk to adjust the batter's thickness. Pour the batter into a piping bag. If you don't have piping bags, you can use a Ziploc bag or a squeeze bottle. Twist the piping bag so that the batter would stay put. Then cut the tip of the bag to make a small opening. Heat the nonstick pan on low heat. Then start piping the mini pancake. Try to pipe them around the same size so that they can cook evenly. Also, keep the heat as low as possible because these pancakes cook fairly quickly. Flip the pancake when the top is set. Repeat the same to the cocoa batter and the matcha batter. Pour some honey into the bowl and you can enjoy the pancake cereal. Personally, I like the original flavor the best. The cocoa flavor tastes a bit bitter, and matcha is too strong of a flavor. If you're fond of matcha, maybe you will like it.